this morning, we continue our News 3 special report. Yesterday, we mentioned that only 5 hospitals in Southern Illinois offer evidence collection kits for sexual assault survivors. Now, those are Mazak Memorial, Hardin County General, SIH Herrin, SIH Memorial of Carbondale, and SSM Good Samaritan. Now, we have some numbers from the Illinois Department of Public Health. Now, when it comes to adults, last year, those hospitals had 202 patients. Sexual assault nurse examiners offered 191 of them an evidence collection kit. 71% wanted one, 29% decided against it. Now, let's take a look at children who went to those 5 hospitals for sexual assault. IDPH defines this as a boy or girl under the age of 13. Well, of the 75 patients, 66 were offered a kit. 57 went through an evidence collection kit. 43% did not want one done. Now, a SANE at SIH, Kate Gossett, says that state law requires anyone assaulted in the last 7 days to be offered an evidence collection kit. This may be one reason why adults have more kits done than children.
They don't tell somebody immediately because they've been groomed for some time or they have been intimidated or threatened. So lots of times the children don't disclose until later on, so they're outside of the time frame.
Now, evidence collection kits can include photos, survivor statements, hair and nail clippings, and DNA swabs. They're then sent to the Illinois State Police Lab. Now, some patients choose to have evidence held, while others want it processed right away. The Survivor Empowerment Center offers victims the choice of having an advocate. They can be there during the kit, and they can help that patient track its progress through ISP's website.
Be proactive if you're the survivor, as far as tracking it through their computer system. You may not hear back, So you've got to be the one to take the steps necessary to check on that. I think they've been trying to improve that.
If the survivor wants that kit processed, Illinois State Police need to do that within 180 days. The number of sexual assault victims in Southern Illinois may be much higher than the 277 adults and children that the state's reported. And that's due to the number only coming from the 5 treatment hospitals in our region. Numbers transfer hospitals do not have to report. Now, later tonight on News 3, we will conclude our special report and we'll take a look at local resources for sexual assault survivors and the services that they offer. And you can watch that story right here on News 3 at 6.